Hey everybody, it's Lee Jordan with USA Roofing. We found that our customers really like to be educated on the roofing process, so we hope this will be a valuable resource for you. Guys, the night before a job, what we request of you is that you make different parking arrangements than you normally do. Typically, this will only be for one 24-hour period, so it's not that bad. It's a good idea for you guys to decide to park maybe on the street or a little bit down the street so that we'll have room to provide the dump trailer and some of the guys' vehicles to go ahead and park in front of the home while they're doing the job. Also, a lot of customers, they ask me, they'll say, do I have to put my pet up? Well, yes, even if your pet's not a really mean dog, it's a really sweet dog, you still want to put them inside because we've got thousands of nails and a lot of weight coming off of that roof, and the last thing we want to do is harm any pets. So it's a good idea to go ahead and put your pet up or take your pet off site for the day and go have a good day somewhere if you want to do that too. Guys, they also like to ask me, well, do we need to be here? Well, that works two ways. If you'd like to be here during the process, it's perfectly fine. All we ask is that during the tear-off process, stay inside for the first couple of hours of the job because that's when most of the debris is falling off the roof that could really injure somebody. One of the most important things that your estimator is going to ask you when you sign up for your new roof is where you'd like to stage the materials. We don't want to put it on the grass during the summertime because we don't want to kill your beautiful grass, so let's think of a good spot on concrete that we can stage your materials. And guys, if we didn't get some of your questions answered, feel free to give us a call at any of our offices, or you can reach us online at usaroofing.us.